Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This income earning property is ideal for the prudent investor. Located less than 5 minutes from the town of Mandeville, this 1.1-acre site boasts 3 residential buildings. The site can also be further redeveloped from medium to high residential to maximize its potential. Additionally, there is also a cave that is located along a section of the eastern boundary. Guys, let's take a quick look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $325,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.